But anyways, comparison, fake NISMO against real NISMO. Y'all know what's better than one 370z on the channel? I'll show you guys. Two 370z on the channel. Oh, and the wheelchair. That's always there. But you guys already know what today's video is. It's gonna be a good one. You guys have met Jose before. Hey. He was on the Chevy dealer video and he's gonna help us out and we're gonna see the big difference between this one's a non-NISMO, right? Yours is a fake NISMO, mine's the real, right? Yeah, of course. His version 1 NISMO and my base model. Should be a really cool video.
I've got test pipes, that's it.
You only have test pipes. Now looking at it, it looks so good. I don't know why. Like, do you want to switch from bumpers or not? It looks really good though. I forgot how good this NISMO looks.
I like the new bumpers. I do. I'm not gonna lie.
Like you can tell this has easier. Way more aero than this does.
It flows easier.
Yeah, like it flows. Yeah. Let's get it. But anyways, if you bros are new to this channel, don't forget, like you cannot continue watching this video unless you guys smash that subscribe button. And now you guys did, welcome to the family, and let's get to the video. Yeah. Not gonna lie, that version of the NISMO looks so mean. Oh crap! Is that a NISMO tag? That was pretty close, to be honest. It must be nice to have nice seats and not all cracked. Alright, so he's gonna tell us what he has done, because he has some more things than I have.
I've got the Stillen Gen 3 long tube intakes, cane and cone filters under here.
Yeah.
I have the Z1 intake ported manifold, and then the Z1 test pipes as well for performance, and that's it. No tune yet, so it's still a factory.
No tune?
Yeah, no tune. I've got
It's hot, dude.
I know.
Dang.
I've got stainless steel clutch lines with Moto 660 in it.
You drive this car a lot, right? Like you've driven it so much.
A ton. It's seen North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia multiple times.
We're in Florida, by the way. We're in Florida.
South Florida.
South Florida. Where is South Florida? So that car's seen all that out there. I've only seen Orlando, which is 4 hours away. So that's pretty crazy. And basically, if you guys are new to the channel, I'm not even gonna pop the hood. I have Stillen Gen 3s, and then I have test pipes and AM short tails, which, yeah, that's why it's so loud. Yours is what year of a NISMO?
2011.
2011 NISMO. And mine is an 09 base model with the, actually no, mine's a NISMO, yours is a base model, right?
Yeah, I did the conversion. I really like the wheels.
Yeah. Mine's an 09 base model with the sport package and the tech, or navigation, I mean. It's a fully loaded base model. Does yours have the tech package or no?
No, they didn't do the tech package back then.
Oh, for this NISMO, it didn't?
No, it was V2s and 15 that they started.
Wow, so I think I got an upper hand on that. But anyways, comparison, fake NISMO against real NISMO. All right, let's get to a NISMO. Damn, bro, it looks so good. It's a really hard question as to which looks better, though.
It is, because I really like this new stuff. I like the
Brady looks better.
Right in here. Dude, I had the seats out. I had the center console, this piece, the carpet.
like it not being as loud as mine, dude.
Experience this, you don't want to.
So the last NISMO that I drove had a little more horsepower than this. It had like 630.
Yeah, just a little bit more.
I feel a lot stranger than mine. Like I feel much better going into second. Although I'm not even slamming it. That was kind of like an awkward.
Yeah.
But it feels much better. I'm also on springs and I'm lower. I feel like that will make a difference.
Yeah, you're dropping your center of gravity. You know, less body roll, I think.
That took it pretty good.
Yeah,
We went pretty decent on that corner.
Guess it's pretty flat.
Ooh.
Yeah, where it was like 4 lanes.
All right, so first impressions on the NISMO. It was a big difference because it's not as loud, but I like it though, I like it. But anyways, it definitely felt a lot stiffer. I don't think I said it or showed it a lot throughout the video, but now that I think about it, it did feel a lot stiffer and a lot more planted whenever you're taking off. Taking off, it's much more different than taking off in my car, it really is. But yeah, it feels beefier, more planted. Is it worth the upgrade? I'll let you guys know in a little bit. Put it in reverse again?
Yeah,
What?
I got a backup camera.
Does it come with it or you added it?
Nope.
What do you do? Don't crash. I know it has a lot of horsepower, but. Alright, now let's get his reaction on my
Hold on.
base model. Oh, that's something I hate. I hate this. Why did they only put a Z on the 2011 and up, right? And then we over here got no Z on the 11 and 9. Ooh, almost off.
NISMO. So loud.
You can rip it if you want, dude.
I can kind of tell what you mean as far as it's a little bit looser.
Yeah, it feels more loose, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't feel as stiff as a NISMO.
And I feel like your traction like came on your back end.
Yeah. Yours did too, though.
Yeah. Just that.
Even the turns feel like
Not as, like you said,
not as planted. Yeah. Here you go. Is it gonna scrape? Oh, you passed the test. You passed the test. But my favorite thing is probably, obviously, how stiff it is. It's much stiffer. You guys were right. You guys were right. Is it worth? Do you think it's worth it upgrading to a NISMO?
Me personally, even before I drove yours, after about 2 years of owning mine, I would have preferred to get a Sport and go from there. It's a better start unless you are gonna keep it in pristine condition and hold on to it. I like to drive my cars.
You know what? I'm gonna disagree with you.
Yeah?
When I first was getting mine, NISMO, bro, the reason why I didn't get a NISMO, to find a NISMO like this, when I was looking for mine, like probably almost 3 years ago, 22,000 up. That was the price. There was none. Now you can find this at like 17,000, bro. It's crazy.
I bought mine. I'm coming on to a little over 5 years of ownership. I paid 30 for mine.
You paid 30
5 years ago.
Yeah. Wow.
5 years ago.
It wasn't that old. 5 years ago. But yeah, like now, if any of you want to buy a Z, if you can spend the little extra, I would get a NISMO.
Oh no, if I'm buying...
You already have the cool bumpers that 100% you're going to change out your base model bumpers for, or maybe you're going to get another. And I mean, it just feels more refined, to be honest. And just stiffer, and I would get a NISMO.
Oh, don't get me wrong, I'm not going to trade mine, but...
Recently I went with the base, like I said, NISMOs were like too expensive, so yeah, that's my answer. That's his answer. I really like this wing. I wanted to get the one that was like carbon fiber on top instead of that one. It was like a NISMO, yeah, this exact same one, but it was like carbon fiber on top. Okay, so what do you guys think is faster? A NISMO with still engine 3s and a ported upper plenum, or a base model with basically the still engine 3s and, well, similar mods. All right, boys, 0 to 60 in the NISMO 370z. Let's get it. 2, 1, go. 6 seconds, 0 to 60.
It was a horrible launch. You gotta do that again. Difference.
We're in Mexico, all right?
Same difference.
This is all legal. There's a special road that I make all my videos in, guys, in case you're wondering. Anyways, round 2 of the 0 to 60. GoPro died, so you're not gonna get a better view, but round 2, let's go.
Set and go.
That was a good launch. This guy's just doing a wheelie. Yeah, this guy's a beast. Just under 6. We tried on 0 to 60, but now time for the real test. We're gonna run it. And we shifted and we were like right there, right? Yeah. That was literally dead even. I hope the GoPro recorded the race really good. Bro, that was dead even, dude. Wow, I've never seen something so even in my life. Anyway, guys, always, huge shout out to Jose for coming out and making the video. Leave some love in the comments. So looking from that footage, if you're buying a NISMO, you're not really buying it for the speed difference because it's pretty much the same, like the exact same. That was crazy. So you're buying it basically for the different bumpers, how much more stiffer it is, more hardcore ride, more like stable.
And for this.
All right, and for this. Oh, what? I never knew they had this. Really? Mm-hmm. It says NISMO 375?
375 of 504 for 2011.
Yo, that is sick. I actually never knew that. All right, bro, I'm gonna let you go. Thanks for the video again.
No, for sure.
Peace out. NISMO, I'll see you later. With that said, I think that video is getting too long, so we're gonna see you guys next time. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, leave a like, share with at least one of your friends. Let me know what you guys think, NISMO or not NISMO, what would you do and why? On this channel we upload Tuesday and Friday and we make some lit content. And roll the new outro. Let me know what you guys think.